reflection of confidence, coordination and alertness. And now get ready for some colorful fun. Wow, what an amazing performance. It's time to tap your feet with the foot tapping beats as the children are ready to give you some dhamal entertainment which is full. Wow, what a spectacular performance. Parents, cheer yourself up and keep your energy high to welcome.
डांस करती
अभी भी तो कर रही थी वो।
कहाँ चली गई वो?
बैठी हुई थी।
खिलाने का था मुझे उसको।
मत खिलाओ, थोड़ी देर बाद खिलाओ।
ये देवी के पीछे लाल चश्मा लगाए ना।
उन्हीं के ग्रुप में रहती है।
हाँ उनके ग्रुप में। उनका बेटा यहाँ नहीं देखता।
Party hard just like it's Mardi Gras, cause that's what life is for. And we don't party hardly, we just party hard. And not because we born, we party cause we born apart. That's why I keep on, yes, that's why I keep on, yes, that's why I keep on doing what I'm doing, yeah. I like the moving, I like the moving, I like the moving, we like the moving, I like the moving, she like the moving, we like the moving, we like the moving. I like the body, he like the body, they like the body, we like the body. She like to shake it, she like to shake it, he like to shake it, yeah. Somebody say yeah, say yeah, yeah. Back it up, 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 back it up. Give me one, give me one, give me one, come. We like the body, we like the body, we like the body, we like the, we like the move it, we like the move it, they like the move it, move it, move it, move it, move it, move it. DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo. Everybody knows say Bravo, everybody know Christine is a champion, Dini a champion, Bounty a champion, Marshall is a champion, Bunty is a champion, Pollard is a champion, Lara is a champion, Kelly is a champion. Don't forget, Mike is a champion, Serena a champion, Wendy a champion, Shelly a champion, 958 Ford a champion.
पानी चाहिए पानी चाहिए पानी खाना है पानी पीना है पानी पीना खाओ कम
Dear parents, due to Azan, we will wait for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, you can enjoy the refreshments. Thank you.
जाओ जल्दी आओ।
Come, guys. नहीं मतलब कोई आया है क्या? बस आप चेक कर लीजिए ना, आपने रिसीव किया है या पता नहीं वो किसे देकर गया। आया है ना? अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है। खाना ब्रेक खाना है पहले पानी
Drills are repetitive exercises that helps to develop skills like teamwork and cooperation and enhance memory skills in children. So put your hands together for our fitness masters of senior KG who are all set up. Please give them a big round of applause.
Welcome to my gym, let's warm up. Everyone standing, let's clap our hands to the beat. Keep clapping and march our feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count it once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, marching. Now let's roll the arms straight like a rocket. To the left, right, up, down, ready? Left, right, up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right, up, down. Let's make the shape of a star. Arms out and legs apart. Let's make the shape of a ball. Bring knees to the floor. Star, ball, star, ball. Do it once more. Star, ball. Now, do you want to try it faster? You do. Terrific. Are you ready? Let's go. Star, ball, 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 star, ball. Gee, look like you're having a lot of fun. Now let's sit on the floor and do some floor exercises. Let's spread our legs very wide, arms relaxed to the side. Let's push our knees into our chest. Come on, try it, do your best. In, out, in, out. Say it loud. In, out. Are you ready to try this one faster too? Yes? Okay. Let's go. In, out, 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 in, out. Fantastic. Now for the next exercise, I'd like you to work with a friend, please. Get together in pairs. That's right. Hold each other's hands real tight. Legs wide apart with feet touching like you're going rowing. Push, pull, push, pull. Please be gentle. Push, pull. Now would you like to try this one faster too? It's the last exercise, so do your very, very best. Push, pull, 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 push, pull. Thank you for coming to my gym. Give yourselves a clap for joining in. You worked out great, you did just fine. Hope to see you again next time. Bye.
Wow, what an amazing performance. Participation in any event is a must, and we at Podar Jumbo Kids believe in it. The will to win is important, but the will to prepare is vital. For every child is special and is a winner. So here we start with the first class for today. Get up, parents. Now the children of playgroup are going to have their race. So as our theme is Jumbo Storytime Sprint. So let's give them a huge round of applause. Our children from the playgroup are now going to participate in healthy fun race. Children will run from the starting line to the midpoint, pick up the healthy food placard kept in the middle, wear it and then run towards the finishing line. Participants are Shriyan, Zaisha, Anvika, Prisha, Isa, Azel and Aizel. Come on parents, please cheer them. Wow, that was absolutely fantastic. Parents, weren't they simply adorable? Let's give them a huge round of applause. This race wasn't just about running, it was about learning too. Through this fun activity, our tiny tots are learning about taste of choosing healthy food and staying active. Dear parents, now it's time to bid a cheerful goodbye to our adorable playgroup stars and get ready to welcome our enthusiastic nursery champs onto the field. Come on everybody, greet them with a big round of applause. Our first race for nursery is called the Wolf and the Apple Race. Children will be standing one at the starting point, wearing the placard of the wolf, run and pick up the apple kept in the midpoint and then run towards the finishing line. Participants are Ashar, Haider Ali, Hamdan, Mishka, Tarana, Zaina and Hasnain. Wow, that was a fun-filled race. Our clever foxes took the apple perfectly. Together, they raced with excitement, energy and big smile. It is called Save Every Drop Race. Kid will start from the starting point, wearing the placard of the safe water kept at the midpoint and then run towards the finishing line. Participants' name is Fatima, Inaya, Kulsum, Anabia, Anas, Aiza. Wow, they have just completed the Save Every Drop race with great enthusiasm, proudly wearing the placard that remounts. Through this simple yet meaningful race, our children have taken their step forward together, becoming a responsible citizens who care for our planet and its precious resources. Parent, wasn't that inspiring sight? Let us celebrate our eco-champions with a big smile and cheer. Moving on to the next race. It
is called Let's Build It Race. It is based on the story Wolf and the House. Children will wear the headgear of wolf and run towards the midpoint, build a house or a tower with blocks and then run towards the finishing line. Participants are Arham, Hassan, Zaina, Ishal, Vivan and Soham. Parents, please cheer them.
जल्दी जल्दी वो छोड़ दिया बना हो गया
Wow, what an exciting race that was. Our little wolfies ran with so much enthusiasm. Okay, fine. So quickly I'll explain the process. So you will be standing individually. I'll be telling you have to form group of, for example, 3. So 3 people have to come forward. Whoever is out of the group is out. Okay? Whoever wins in the last is the winner. Shall we begin? Please make a circle and do a round. Group of 2. So in this round, nobody is loser. Come on, moving on. Group of 3. Who is out of the group? Okay. Sorry, next time. We'll continue the
चला
game.
कोई बात नहीं
हम दो लोग कंफ्यूज थे बाद में तो ये हो गया
जागो पहना है ना
Group of 4. Now who is out? Moving on. Group of 5. Okay, now you.
3 लोग आओ 5 का group।
Moving on. Winners will get exciting prizes. Group of 2. Moving on.
भी होगा
3 people. This is the final round. Let's see who wins.
ये तो
There will be 2 winners.
तू होएगा अभी और
No cheating, parents.
No forming groups. 3 people.
भाई तो वो दोनों एक वही बेटर
2 people.
That was pre-planned.
ये सही था
Okay, anyways,
Yes,
winners
Aida.
will get the prize.
We
ये
have
सही
2
था।
winners over here. Hania's father and Mahira's father. Please
ये सही था
cheer
ये
them.
सही था
माझ्या असं जिथे पण जास्त
Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a big round of applause. I will request playgroup parents to come forward and collect the kids.
आज समोर
क्या हुआ
ओव्हर हो गए मैंने बोला डस्टबिन में डाल
Moving on to the next race of nursery. It is called Brush Brigade. Please cheer them, parents. That was absolutely delightful. Our little Hansel did great job. You truly showed us how fun brushing can be. Let's cheer them, parents. Give them a big round of applause.
अभी तुम्हारा भी आएगा
Moving on, now we have our junior KG students. The first race we have is called Fix It Fun Race.
सेकंड में उनका है चालू है ना नहीं चालू है 1 2 नहीं है मेरे को देखो तो तुम्हारी मम्मा को मत देखो वो भी तो कहीं ना मगर उसकी हाइट है उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा
Shall we begin? Please cheer them, parents. What a fantastic run that was. Our little wolfies raced with excitement, put together the apple puzzle with great focus and zoomed off to the finishing line with such smart thinking and quick moves. Let's give them a loud cheer, dear parents. It's called Let's Build a Strong House. Children will pick up a brick from the starting point, run towards the midpoint, place the brick near the house, and further run towards the finishing point. Participants are Anam, Zishan, Ayat, Khatija, Hania, and Wajida.
भागो 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 भागो
bricks, place them carefully near the house and sprinted towards the finishing line with such excitement. What a fun way to show how strong houses are built. One step and one brick at a time. Let's give them a huge round of applause for their energy and efforts. Food race. Children will start from the starting point, run towards the midpoint, pull the healthy food and then run towards the finishing line. Participants are Dhairyavir, Arwa, Hania, Gritvik, Arham and Shrika.
बोलून घ्या त्यांना माझा ऑटो मी तो यांना घरी सोडताना मी येतो तिथे याला BKCला हां सांगून द्या
Shall we begin? Please cheer the parents. Wow, that was fantastic. You all did a great job by pulling the healthy food. Today's race was not just about running. It was about learning that healthy food gives us strength, energy and happy body. Well done everybody. Well done everyone. Give them a huge round of applause. Pick up the small basket, run from the starting point and collect the water drops on the track and then run towards the finishing point. Participants are Miral, Nadia, Zainab, Sidra, Inayat.
सामने तो बैठी है ओके डांस कर रही है
Please cheer them parents. Bravo to our little drop savers. With their tiny baskets in hand, they ran with care, collected precious water drops along the way and then raced towards the finishing line with big smile. A fun-filled reminder that every drop counts and saving water starts with little small steps. Let's hear it out for our eco-smart champions, dear parents. Again, it's game time for our parents. We want two parents to come forward. Our senior KG kids. First race for senior KG is called House Builder Hustle. Children will wear the mask of the wolf kept at starting point, run towards the midpoint, complete the house puzzle and then run towards the finishing line. Participants are Jannat, Shapir, Hasnain, Murtuza, Mustafa and Juel. Please cheer them parents. Louder. What a fantastic hustle by our little race. So the next race is Let's Walk in the Jungle. Children will wear the Red Riding Hood hat and run further, making their way through hurdles and reach the finishing line. This race will be done in 2 rounds. Participants are Bilal, Azan, Aisha, Azlan, Madiha, Aira Malik.
आई नहीं आई
Please clap dear parents. Wow, that was amazing. Please cheer for them parents. Louder cheers. Wow, what an adventurous journey that was. Our little explorers made their way through the jungle trails, crossed every hurdle and reached towards the finishing line with confidence and joy. Let's give them a big cheer. Food race. Children will be standing at the starting point, will run towards the midpoint, sort healthy and unhealthy food placard in their respective tray, and then run towards the finishing point. Participants are Afia, Udban, Hamdan, Zohan, Atika and Danyan. Wow, that was amazing. What a zippy and smart race. Our little champ zoomed in, sorted the food just right, and dashed towards the finishing line. Please give them a huge round of applause, dear parents.
जाओ हाथ में लेके जाओ हाथ में लेके जाओ बाय
Moving on to the last race of the evening of our students. It's called Porridge Pickup Race. Children will pick up the napkin, further run on the track to collect the bowl and spoon at the midpoint, and then run further towards the finishing point and sit on the chair. Participants are Valia, Ayana, Prisha, Azim, Shahan and Shreyansh. Please cheer them parents. Excellent, that was wonderful. You all have done great job. Please cheer them parents. Parents, please give huge round of applause to all our children as we come towards the end of the children race. yourselves, balance it without touching your hands, and then you have to run towards the finishing line. Okay? Shall we begin the race? Start! Please choose a finishing line. Balance and run. Oh, we have Nadia's parents here. Nadia's parents are winning, I guess.
No using hands. No using hands. You're gonna come back from the starting line.
Start. Begin it again. Begin it again.
Okay, we have a clear winner.
Please give huge round of applause for Nadia's parents. They are the winner of the races.
प्रॉपर चाहिए.
Round 2. Who's coming for round 2?
For round 2, 3, start.
Come on, cheer them.
चलो फास्ट नहीं बेटा
No using hands.
Please be careful.
ये लोग हिले ही नहीं.
अच्छा किया आपने.
Well done, parents.
Clear winner. Sorry.
Camel walk.
देखो
Jumping, jump out. Camel walk.
Hello. This is for basically locomotor skill, growth motor skill. Right? Hello. गेम्स के साथ भी ये उनका वार्म अप एक्टिविटी हो जाता है इन द स्कूल. उनको पता भी नहीं चलता है कि वो लोग वार्म अप कर रहे हैं या गेम खेल रहे हैं. We increase that locomotor skill, growth motor skill in the school. There is a multiple sports are there. Zigzag with ball, ladder walking, hurdle cross, how to throw the javelin. मतलब सारे स्पोर्ट्स से हम लोग उनको इंट्रोड्यूस कराते हैं. लाइक ओलंपिक में कौन से गेम्स होते हैं लाइक दैट. स्टैंडिंग जंप, ट्रिपल जंप. How to animal walk, like duck walk, camel walk, cow walk, सारे walk हम वहाँ पे स्कूल में सिखाते हैं. अभी यहाँ पे सारे बताने पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो हम लोग कुछ ही बता रहे हैं आपको.
I would like to thank entire Podar family, the staff, the support staff for working together and showing a good team spirit. And of course to our children and families to make this a big hit. Thank you so much dear parents. We want to say goodbye with huge cheers and huge claps. We'll be announcing, we'll be calling out kids class-wise. Please come up for certificates and medals. Thank you.
थोड़ा
Give it to Mama. No. I will give it to अभी आपको नेक्स्ट ईयर और नहीं मिलेगा.
अरन प्ले करो. अरन जो प्ले करो कुछ भी.
पता है 2 मिनट बुलाएंगे, टीचर बुलाएंगे आपको.
Anu, Ayu.
अयुजा आराम सीट हो जाओ. है ना आयु. आयु अयुजा. है ना